Have you ever wondered how different software applications communicate with each other? Or how data is shared between systems seamlessly? If these questions fascinate your curiosity, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into OData in SAP. OData stands for Open Data Protocol, and it is a standardized way to access and manipulate data across various systems. Think of it as a bridge that allows different applications to talk to each other and share information easily. With OData, you can perform operations like reading, creating, updating, or deleting data using simple RESTful APIs. This means that whether you're pulling customer information or updating inventory levels, OData makes it straightforward and efficient. Hello guys, and welcome to this video on what is OData in SAP. In this video, we'll explore how OData works within the SAP ecosystem, its key features, and why it is essential for modern application development. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update coming from our team. Before we dive deeper into the video, let us look at the agenda first. First, we will start with introduction to OData in SAP. Then we will look into OData Services. And finally, we will conclude our video with future trends and development. In today's data-driven world, efficient and standardized ways of accessing and manipulating data are more crucial than ever. Whether you are a developer, system architect, or IT professional working with SAP systems, understanding OData is going to be a game changer for your career. Let us start here. Imagine having a universal language to access and manage data across different systems. Sounds useful, right? That's exactly what OData offers. OData, short for Open Data Protocol, is a standardized data protocol specifically designed for working with RESTful APIs. It provides a consistent way to access and manipulate data using simple web technologies. Built on widely used formats such as HTTP, AtomPub, and JSON, OData makes it easy to integrate different systems. One of its key strengths is offering a uniform interface for querying and interacting with data, no matter where it's stored. Whether you're fetching data from a database or updating records, OData simplifies the process and ensures everything works seamlessly across platforms. Let us dive into what makes OData truly special. Imagine a world where accessing data from different sources is as simple as opening a web page. That's exactly what OData offers. First, OData provides unified data access. No matter where your data is stored, OData gives you a single interface to access it all in one place. This makes it incredibly easy to pull information from various systems without jumping through hoops. Another great feature is how OData simplifies system integration. It eliminates the need for multiple connectors or custom code, allowing different applications to talk to each other seamlessly. Built on REST principles, OData uses standard HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. This familiar framework makes it easy for developers to work with and ensures consistency in data handling. Lastly, OData requests are stateless, meaning each request is independent, making the process more efficient and scalable. This results in faster and smoother data transactions, perfect for large-scale systems. In short, OData brings simplicity, efficiency, and power to data integration. Think of metadata and service documents as your guide through an API's data structure. When you're exploring a new city, you need a map to understand where everything is and how to get there, right? Without them, understanding and interacting with the data would be a challenge. Metadata documents provide detailed descriptions of the data model, outlining the types of entities and their relationships. This helps clients make sense of how the data is organized. In addition to this, these documents also offer a list of available entity sets, so you can easily see which sets of data are accessible. By clearly presenting the structure and layout of the data, metadata and service documents play a crucial role in facilitating smooth navigation through the API, allowing users to find exactly what they need with minimal effort. Let us talk about one of the most exciting aspects of OData, its powerful query capabilities. Imagine having a huge library of books, but instead of manually searching through each shelf, you have a smart assistant who can instantly find exactly what you need. That's what OData query options do for your data. With OData, you're not just limited to retrieving all records at once. Want to filter data based on specific conditions? Use $filter. Need only certain fields? $select is your friend. Let me show you a real-world example. Let us say you're working with a sales database. Instead of pulling all sales records, you can use /Salesforce $filter is equal to amount, get 10,000 and $select is equal to customer name order date. This simple query gives you only high-value sales, showing just the customer name and order date. It is like having a data coin search at your service. Did you know that OData plays a key role in simplifying data integration? In SAP applications, OData serves as a crucial tool for enabling seamless integration between SAP systems and external platforms. SAP Gateway utilizes OData to expose complex business logic in a way that's easy to access and use. This makes it simple to build interfaces that are user-friendly and efficient. OData is especially important when developing mobile apps, as it supports smooth data flow and interaction. SAP Fiori apps, which offer intuitive and responsive interfaces for business users, rely heavily on OData services to function effectively. By utilizing OData, businesses can ensure that their apps provide real-time data access and improve overall user experience. In short, OData in SAP applications is essential for modern, interactive interfaces and seamless integration across platforms, making it a vital component in today's digital landscape. Let us break down the Swiss Army knife of data integration, OData's main functions in SAP. First up is data access and manipulation. Think of this as having a universal remote control for your SAP data. Need to read, create, update, or delete data? OData handles it all with elegant simplicity. Batch processing is another powerhouse feature. Imagine you are a chef who needs to prepare multiple dishes. Instead of cooking each item separately, you can combine preparations. That's what batch processing does. It lets you bundle multiple operations into a single request, saving time and resources. Asynchronous operations deserve a special mention. In a fast-paced digital world, waiting isn't an option. With async operations, you can kick off a long-running process and continue with other tasks. It is like having a personal assistant who handles time-consuming jobs while you focus on other priorities. Imagine a system where data is easily accessible, standardized, and flexible. That's exactly what OData offers. OData is all about standardized communication, ensuring that different systems can communicate effortlessly. With enhanced data accessibility, users can retrieve and update information across platforms without complications. Its rich query capabilities allow users to fetch data in a structured, efficient way, making complex queries easy to manage. OData also shines with its broad integration capabilities, enabling seamless integration across various applications and environments. But that's not all. It provides flexibility and scalability. So, whether your data is small or large, OData adapts easily. Plus, with reduced development costs, it saves businesses time and resources. One of the most impressive features is offline support, allowing users to work even without an internet connection. All of these benefits combined lead to an improved user experience, making OData a go-to solution for developers and businesses alike. With OData, you're not just managing data, you're doing it in a smarter and more efficient way. Now, let us peek under the hood at the architecture. Don't worry, I'll keep it interesting. Think of SAP OData Architecture as a well-orchestrated symphony. Each component plays a crucial role. The OData service is like the conductor, coordinating how data flows between SAP and the outside world. The OData protocol is the musical store. It defines the rules and standards everyone follows. The OData client library is like the musician's instruments, the tools needed to interact with the service. The OData model is the music itself, the structure and format of your data. Imagine accessing and managing data seamlessly across different platforms. That's what OData offers. One of the standout features of OData is its ability to support multiple entity sets. This means you can have various collections of data for the same entity type, giving you flexibility in how you organize and retrieve information. OData also allows different names for a single entity type, which makes it easier to create customized views of your data without altering the original structure. Another key feature is that it provides varied data lists, allowing users to handle large data sets effectively. Additionally, OData ensures that messages are self-describing, which makes the protocol easier to understand, even for developers who aren't familiar with SAP systems. It's designed to be accessible to non-SAP developers, broadening its usability across different platforms and industries. Finally, OData works with JSON or XML formats, the most common data formats in web development, ensuring compatibility with modern web technologies. These features together make OData a powerful tool for efficient and flexible data management. Did you know that the structure of a URI plays a key role in how data is accessed in OData? Understanding the URI syntax components is crucial for making effective requests. The first part, resource specification, identifies which specific resources you're trying to access. It's like pointing directly to a dataset or entity within the service. Then there are special requests. These are defined for specific resources within the URI, enabling you to perform actions like filtering or sorting the data. If you omit resources in your request and just call the root URI, you'll receive what's called a service document. This document acts like a guide or index, listing all the available resources, complete with their URIs and names, so you can know exactly what's available to query. This approach ensures you have a clear path to interact with different data sets efficiently, making it easier to retrieve the information you need from the service. Have you ever wondered how to make data management easier and more efficient? Transitioning to entity-based OData is a great way to achieve that. In this approach, we move away from traditional database modeling and focus on entities as objects. Each entity represents a real-world object such as a product, customer, or order. This object-oriented approach makes it simpler to understand and manage the data. Each entity has specific properties that describe its characteristics. For example, a product entity might have properties like name, price, and description. This clear definition of attributes allows for better organization and access to data. Moreover, entities are not isolated. They have relationships with one another, known as navigation properties. These relationships help us understand how different entities interact. For instance, a product entity might be linked to a category or a supplier. By focusing on these entities and their relationships, we can create a more structured and intuitive way to handle data. This transition enhances data access, making it easier to query and manipulate information as needed. OData services simplify data sharing across applications. By using standard protocols, they enable seamless access to various data sources, fostering integration and enhancing productivity. Discover how OData can transform your data management today. Have you ever wondered how applications display data from databases? OData services play a key role in this process. They help retrieve data from the database, ensuring that users get the information they need. OData services use SQL statements to pull data efficiently. These statements are like instructions that tell the database what data to find and how to organize it. Once the data is retrieved, it is presented in various ways on front-end applications. This is where user experience comes into play. OData services use different screen elements to make data easy to understand and interact with. For example, tables display data in rows and columns, making it easy to compare information. Graphs can visualize data trends, helping users see patterns at a glance. Additionally, drop-downs, radio buttons, and checkboxes allow users to make selections and filter the data displayed. By utilizing these elements, OData services enhances the way data is presented and interacted with, making it more user-friendly and effective. Let us wrap up by exploring the three types of OData services you will encounter in the SAP world. First, OData ABAP services. These are your classic SAP workhorses connected to systems like ECC, CRM, or SRM. Think of them as the traditional backbone of your SAP landscape. Second, OData HANA services. These are the speed demons leveraging the power of SAP HANA. If your use case demands lightning fast data access, this is your go-to option. Third, OData external services. These are your bridges to the outside world, connecting SAP with non-SAP systems. They are like universal translators, enabling seamless communication across different platforms. Imagine trying to manage a vast online store without knowing how each product is defined. In OData services, understanding the attributes of the product entity is essential for effective data management. The product entity serves as the backbone for representing individual products within the system. Each product is assigned a unique identifier called the primary key, which is crucial for distinguishing it from others. The ID attribute, represented as edm.int32, holds a 32-bit integer value that identifies the product. For example, you might have a product with an ID of 101. The name attribute, categorized as edm.string, allows us to store the product's name in a text format, such as wireless headphones. Additionally, the description attribute, also of type edm.string, provides a detailed account of the product, helping customers understand its features and benefits. Beyond these basic attributes, navigation properties show the relationship between products and other entities in the system, like categories or suppliers. The cardinalities, which describe how entities relate to one another, can be found in the service metadata. Understanding these attributes is vital for navigating product data in OData effectively. Imagine a world where different systems can easily share data. This is the goal of data exchange in OData. It focuses on using open standards to ensure smooth communication between various applications. Interfaces must be designed to enable this data exchange, making it easier for different systems to work together. One key aspect of OData is product independence. This means that no matter what type of product or system you are using, you can still communicate effectively. This flexibility is crucial in today's diverse technology landscape, where businesses often use multiple systems. To achieve this, OData has specific interface requirements. All data exchanged through OData must conform to predefined types. These types ensure consistency and reliability in data handling. By having standard data types, OData simplifies the process of integrating different systems. This not only enhances communication but also improves overall efficiency. In summary, OData promotes seamless data exchange through open standards and product independence, ensuring all data adheres to predefined types for consistent communication. As we look ahead, exciting trends and developments are reshaping industries. Innovations in technology, sustainability, and automation promise to redefine our lives, enhancing productivity and creating new opportunities for growth and collaboration. As we wrap up our journey through OData in SAP, let us peek into the future. As technology continues to evolve, OData is set to play a crucial role in the future. One of the key trends is the widespread adoption of OData version 4. This version brings new features and improvements, making it more efficient and user-friendly. Another important trend is the integration of OData with SAP HANA. This combination allows for faster data processing and analysis, enabling businesses to make quicker decisions. Additionally, there is a growing focus on mobile and cross-platform development. OData supports various devices and platforms, making it easier to build applications that work seamlessly on smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Enhancing user experience is also a priority. Developers are working to create more intuitive and engaging interfaces, ensuring that users can interact with data effortlessly. Moreover, extensibility and customization are becoming increasingly important. OData allows developers to extend its capabilities and tailor it to specific business needs. Finally, open source initiatives are gaining momentum, encouraging collaboration and innovation in the OData community. These trends will shape the future of OData, making it a vital tool for modern application development. We appreciate your participation in our session on OData in SAP. We hope you gained valuable insights into how OData enhances data access and integration within SAP applications. Your engagement is vital to our success, and we look forward to seeing you in future sessions. For any questions or further information, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Hey there, ready to dive into the world of SAP OData? Our course is your gateway to mastering it all, from beginner basics to advanced techniques. Take it at your own pace right here on our platform. SAP OData is like a Swiss Army knife for managing supplies, ensuring everything from production to delivery runs smoothly. Learn from seasoned pros who've been in the game for ages. They will guide you through every step and answer any questions you may have. But don't just take our word for it. Our students rave about how helpful this course has been for them. And the best part? It's super affordable, so you can level up your skills without breaking the bank. Ready to become a SAP OData whiz? Sign up now and start your journey. For more info, head to ZaranTech's website.